Welcome to you all in my YouTube channel Express Mathematics. Today I am going to explain you about the distance formula word problems. Before starting, I want you to make sure that you please subscribe my channel if you have not already subscribed, so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. So now I am with word problems of distance formula. Here the question is, if A22, B86, P42 and Q106 are given points, prove that AB equals to PQ. Such type of problems you need in class 8 compulsory mathematics distance formula topics, and also these problems are useful for optional mathematics of class 8 and 9 both. So let's start solution. So here, while finding out AB, we can suppose this A to be x1, y1. Coordinate A we can suppose x1, y1, and coordinate of B x2, y2. Okay, and we know distance between two given points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is d equals to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula to find out distance between 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2. Now, in place of distance d, we have to find out distance between 2 points A and B. So in place of d, I have AB here, and x2, in place of x2 we have 8, minus in place of x1 we have 2 here square, plus y2 is 6 from here, minus y1 is 2 from there square, to go to this, and this equals to 6 square plus 4 square. This equals to 36 plus 4 4 is 16, square root of this, that becomes 52 square root this much units. Therefore AB equal to root over 52 units. We can write also in any whole number and then other fractional number form, but we have to show equal, so we can leave this as it is. This can also be written as 4 times 13, and 4 means 2 root 13. Also we can write to this, but it is convenient to write as it is because we have to prove AB equals to PQ. Also PQ equals to, so while finding out PQ, we can suppose this to be x1, y1 and this to be x2, y2. Okay, and using the same formula, here x2 is 10 minus x1 is 4 and square, plus y2 from here 6 minus y1 from here 2 and this is square, and this equals to 6 square plus 4 square. From this also we will get same values, 36 plus 16 root over this, that will be root over 52. For PQ equals to root over 52. Hence AB and PQ both value is root over 52. So hence PQ AB equals to PQ proved. Okay, this way you have to prove. So we have proved it. In this way, AB, any one distance we can prove with another distance. Okay, equal with another distance. All right, now we have another question. If the distance between the points m, 2m and 4m, 4m is root over 13, find the value of m. This is our another question. So for this its solution also, we can suppose this first point to be x1 y1, second point to be x2 y2. Okay, and look at the solution to these questions. Here distance between given points, we can suppose first one to be a m comma 2m, and you can suppose this to be b 4m comma 4m is root over 13. Now using a distance formula, our distance formula is d equals to root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. We can use this distance formula. In place of distance, we have distance AB. So AB equals to x2. x2 here we have 4m minus, in place of x1 we have here m square plus y2 value we have 4m minus y1 is 2m and this square and root over to this. Okay, here this first one is x, this is first one point is x1 y1, second point is x2 y2, x2 minus x1 square 4m minus m square, y2 minus y1 square 4m minus 2m square. And now AB distance between them is given root over 13. So in place of AB we can write root over 13. 4m minus m is 3m, that is square, plus 4m minus 2m, that is 2m, and this is square, root over to this. This implies root over 13 equals to 9m square plus here is 4m square, root over to this. This implies root over 13 equals to here 9 plus 4 13 m square, squaring both sides, we have this root over 13 square is 13 only. This root over 13 m square, it will be 13 m square, as root over will be removed while squaring both sides, and this equals to this m square equals to 13 over 13. This 13 goes to divide here, or in other words dividing both sides by 13 also we can say. This implies 13 ones are 13, m square equals to, we have 1, and this implies m equals to plus minus root over 1. Therefore m equals to plus minus square root of 1 is 1. Okay, so this is the value of m. In this way we have found out the required value of m. Now let's move to the next question. In next question, we have to find the coordinate of the point on y-axis which are at the distance of 13 units from the point 5, 6. Look at the solution to this question. For any point on the y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. So the any point on y-axis is of type 0 comma y. Okay, so for any point on y-axis, its x coordinate equals to 0. So let any point on y-axis be 0 comma y. Any point on y-axis be 0 comma y. Then the distance distance between a 0y and b 5,6 is given as 13 units. Okay, so distance between this any point on the y-axis and this 5 6 is given 13 units. Now using distance formula, our distance formula is d equals to root over x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So our distance is distance between AB. We have to find out AB equals to AB distance that is given, okay, already. That is here you can suppose one point to be x1 y1 and second point to be x2 y2. So x2 that is 5 minus x1 that is 0 square plus y2 6 minus y1 y and this square root over to this. And now AB distance that is 13 equals to here 5 square, that will be 25, plus using m minus p whole square formula we can expand this, that is 36 a square minus 2 times 6 times y plus y square root over to this we can write. And now squaring both sides, root over will be removed. This 13 times 13 will be 169 equals to, while adding this it will be 61, okay, minus 12y plus here y square root over to this, sorry, no root over because already we have squared both sides, okay, so without root this one, and here y square minus 12y plus 61, and 169 when it goes here becomes minus 169, and if you shift this 169 to right side, equal to 0 will be here. Equal to 0 here means this expression is 0, and equal to 0 if you write here also the meaning is same, its value is 0. So equal to 0 I can write here y square minus 12y, let's subtract this, minus 9 minus 1 that is 8, 660 108 equals to 0. Now we have to factorize this. For factorization of this we can for factorization of that we can do prime factorization on the right side, okay. So while finding out prime factorizations it will be like this: 108, 2 can divide, 2 5 is 10, 2 4 is 8, 2 27 is now 3 can divide, 3 9 is 3 3 is, okay. And from this we have to take any two factors so that sum or difference will be this 12. So from this here 3 is 9 to the 18 I can take, okay, 3 is 9 to the 18 and 3 is 6, 18 and 6 two factors we can take, so that 18 minus 6 will be 12, 18 6 product of first and last, that is 108. And this implies y square minus 12y you can write as 18y plus 6y, because minus 18y plus 6y is minus 12y, minus 108 at last equals to 0. And this implies y is common from these two, y minus 18 plus 6, y minus 6 to the 6, remainder 1, 6 8 is 48 equals to 0. And from this we can get y minus 18 is common times y plus this remaining one, y plus 6 equals to 0. This implies either y minus 18 equals to 0 or y plus 6 equals to 0, okay. So from this meaning is that either y minus 18 equal to 0 or y plus 6 equal to 0. This implies y minus 18 equal to 0 gives us y equals to 18. Y plus 6 equal to 0 gives us y equals to minus 6. Okay. And now we have supposed that the point on the y-axis to be 0 comma y. So this value of y we can substitute here 0 comma minus 6 1 point, and if you substitute this here 0 comma 18 another point, hence required point on y-axis are required points on y-axis are required points on y-axis are 0 comma this minus 6 and 0 comma 18. Okay, these are the required points on y-axis. In this way, any point on the y-axis supposing 0y, and by using distance formula we can easily find out. Similarly, if question asks to find out any point on x-axis, then any point on x-axis can be supposed x comma 0, and by using the distance formula in the similar way we can find out the required point on x-axis. Okay, so I hope that you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have not already subscribed my channel, please subscribe it now so that I will be encouraged to make more videos, and also press bell icon so that you will be informed about my coming videos. Okay, thank you very much.